Hi, welcome to Graham's Oozelem Bird tutorial, as taught to me by my father Arthur Clusson. And first thing we need is a square piece of paper. So let's just fold that over to the side there. Do a nice crease, and then folding this piece over there. Again, get a nice firm crease. This is one you really want firm. And then just ripping that off. Okay, there we go. Now you can cut that if you want to make it a little bit neater. So we've now got a piece of paper with one crease in. Now let's put another crease, the same crease in the same direction, across the other diagonal, like that. Okay, making sure the creases are all nice and crisp. Okay, so we now have a pyramid. Now what we're going to do now is we're going to turn that piece of paper over, or rather turn it right from the pyramid. You're now going to, on this axis, turn that to that side there. So folding across the piece of paper, and again this way on the other. So you now have, if we open it up, again a pyramid, but now with some creases here, here and here. Okay, now if we turn it so the pyramid's face down, and now what we've got to do is take each edge in turn of the four edges and fold it in like that, and into the middle, that edge coming into the middle like that. And we go to do this for 8 creases. We go around to the next corner, fold it into the middle and over like that, into the middle. Okay, so we've done that corner and we've done that corner, so we've got to do this corner. And this corner. That. We've got one to go, which is this one here that's not been done yet, and so we go in again. And in it again. Right, so we now have got the pyramid shape still, but we've now got all these extra creases here and here and here and here and here and here. So you can see now we can actually kind of fold those a bit in like that. So you get kind of still got the pyramid shape, it's still up in the middle, but like that. Okay, now this is the hard part. You've got to take your shape and you've got to now start to fold that edge there and that edge there, so you start to get a kind of diamondy effect. Sort of, is that a diamond? What's that shape? I'm not sure. 2 triangles on top of each other. So you get that sort of effect there. You fold these creases in a bit. Okay, now this one's going to be even harder, because on that crease you push it in. So you're now getting that crease is pushed in, that crease is pushed out. So that edge is starting to fold right in. So that forms that sort of shape, and you fold that in together. That one can come on like that, and that one, if I can find it, find what I'm trying to do. Hang on a second. So that one is now straight there, complicate a bit. So we've got that one folded in, that one straight. This one now starts to fold in. So you'll finally end up with this sort of shape. So what we've got there is this surface is flat, that surface is folded in, this surface is flat, and that surface is folded in. Okay, next phase is to have that flat surface looking at you and fold it down. So you end up with this crease up the middle, and turn it over, fold that one down, so you end up with a crease up the middle. Now what you do is you take that surface and that surface and fold them together. So you now have something like that, starting to look like a birdie. So what we do next is we take the tail and we push it out to about there and squeeze. And you form a head by tucking that in and squeezing it again. And you take that out to about there, so you try and line that up with the wing there. Now you fold the wing up and fold the wing up, and then on that crease that you've got left there, you fold that wing down, and again following that crease you fold that wing down. Oh dimmy, fold it down like that. So you now can push that up and that flat out, and you can grab the front of the bird and you can pull his tail and his wings flap. For added realism you could add an eye if you wish. There we go. Who knows if you can be able to follow that, my beloved sisters, but we'll give it a go. Maybe I'll have to come over and teach you.